In MuleSoft 4, several resources can be used to modularize your configuration and promote cleaner, more maintainable applications. Here's an overview of some key options. 1. XML configuration files. Separate your configuration into multiple XML files based on functionality or component groups. Use the import attribute within files to reference and combine configurations from other files. This approach is simple and familiar, but can become verbose for complex projects. 2. Flow and subflow. Define specific processing logic within reusable flow and subflow components. Embed subflows within larger flows for modularization and better code organization. This method promotes code reuse and improves clarity, but might not be suitable for sharing configuration across applications. 3. Mule domains. Create shared resources like connectors, transformers, and configurations accessible across multiple Mule applications. Ideal for reusing common building blocks and maintaining consistency across deployments. Requires separate project management and access control considerations. 4. Properties files. Store externalized configuration values, e.g., URLs, database credentials, in properties files. Access these values using the property notation within your configuration, improving flexibility and central management. Suitable for sensitive information or values frequently changing across environments. 5. Custom Java classes. Implement complex configuration logic or transformations within custom Java classes. Provides full control and flexibility, but requires more development effort. Consider this option for advanced use cases not easily handled by other methods. Choosing the right approach. Consider the complexity of your configuration, reusability needs, and access control requirements. Combine different options strategically for optimal modularization and maintainability. For larger projects, consider tools like Anypoint Studio Pro for advanced file management and configuration optimization. Additional resources. MuleSoft documentation. Invalid URL removed. Mule domains documentation. Link to docs.mulesoft.com. Best practices for modularizing Mule applications. Link to blogs.mulesoft.com. MuleSoft_solutions, 2015, 03. Best practices for modularizing Mule applications. Remember, effective modularization helps you build and maintain cleaner, more scalable, and easier to understand Mule applications. Choose the resources and techniques that best suit your specific needs and project requirements.